What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on TICKETMASTER.com, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can sell your tickets. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, because we are posting tons of useful tutorials and you'd never know when you're gonna need a little bit of help. So let's move on. So let's say you are on Ticketmaster and you do not want your cards anymore and you want to sell them. So basically you're going to the upper right corner over here in the sell section. So when you click on it, you're having my listings and sell tickets. You want to choose sell tickets. So after it loads up the screen, and here you can type in the event. Basically you can search for events you want to sell tickets for. So let's say you're having five tickets for Doja Cat concert. You just type in Doja Cat, and basically that's the entirety of a job. As you can see, sell your tickets in 3 easy steps. You can select tickets to sell. If you purchase tickets from Ticketmaster and the event organizer has enabled the resale for your event, you can list your tickets from your account or enter your ticket barcode. You can set your price, you're in control. Set your price using our pricing tool and see exactly how much you'll be paid when your tickets sell. And the third part is you get paid. When your tickets sell, you'll get paid via your selected method of payment, typically within 5 to 7 business days, provided we have all the necessary information. So guys, basically a really easy process. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.